Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today we have a return product. This was one of the very first products that ever reached out to me on my channel. And I was so blown away with this product, I can stand here and tell you right now, this is a great Christmas present. I believe it's $35 or $39. I'll check to make sure for you on that. But if you order through my link, it helps out my channel immensely. But I got to show you the ODELFI Strip Lamp Pro. This thing right here is the handiest tool to have in the shop. If you're a contractor, if you work, attics, under sinks, mechanicking, you're under the car, you need a light. This thing lights up the complete work area. There is no shadow whatsoever because you have a light going 180 around your head. It is soft, very comfortable to wear, and that yellow right there is your full light. So when it is on your forehead, it is curved to give you 180-degree light around you anywhere. And I'm going to pull this thing on. And I'm going to warn you right now, very, very comfortable. Doesn't slip, doesn't slide, even with my hair. It stays where it's supposed to. But I want to warn you, this is bright, so you might want to squint. But one click, you have got light everywhere you're working. Now I want to turn here where you can see the side. There's two buttons here. But this light, you've got bright, dim, dim, spotlight, dim on the spotlight, or off. Then you go back to bright. Now just to turn off the light, you can just sit here and hold it for a second, then let go. Well, sit here and hold it. There it went. It gets finicky sometimes, but once you get the hang of how long to hold it, it'll go right off. But the second light, or the second button, right here, you see the light is on. Your hands are dirty, you need to turn the light off. Or you're in and out of something and you don't want to reach up there and click every time, so you just wave your hand. Turns it on, or turns it off, back on, back off, back on. The only thing that I have found is if you're in a very tight area and you're moving your head a lot, it'll sit here and go like this. But, see, just this far out, it doesn't do it. You got to get on in there. But this thing is one of the neatest products that I have ever used, and I have used it. Matter of fact, hang on, I want to show you my other one. Okay, this is my new one. This is the other one. This is the first one I had over 2 years ago. The strip lamp is coming apart. I know, just a little glue would fix that. But I want to show you this. I have not charged this thing in probably 4 months because, getting it on with the thing, I just haven't used it, but still works. Can you believe that? This thing still works, even with this thing just falling apart like this. That is a good product right there. Very, very good product. And I am proud to be showing this off for them again. Well, let's go over here. I want to do a little bit of cleaning on the front of the El Caballero, and getting it ready for all my accessories to go on. So what I want to do, I'm going to start out without the light, and then I'll turn it on and let you see the difference when you're getting down and cleaning. I'm going to leave the shop lights on. So you're going to be able to see very well. But when I turn this on, it's just going to blow you away at how much clearer your work area is. All right, here we have the front of El Caballero. I want to go ahead and slip this on my head. But I'm going to start with the Sam spray wax. Now see, all up in here you can't really see, but you reach up here and you do this, boom. You got light for days. You can get right down in here, detail things under the sinks. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, anywhere you need light, this works. And it lasts a very long time. Say you've lost power at home. God bless those people out in North Carolina who are needing all the help they can get. Boy, I wish I could. I'd send them a case of these out there for people. But you turn that thing down on low, it'd last you for hours. You got hands free, you can carry stuff, work on things. And look at that. Don't that look so much better? And I'll turn it off. I'm back in the dark. That makes a huge difference. And that's even with our lights on in here. All right. The ODELFI Pro, or ODELFI, okay, let me get this. The ODELFI Strip Lamp Pro, $39.99. Yes, I do get a commission off of this. Please click on the link down below. Wonderful, wonderful Christmas presents. I am so glad that they offered to do it again for me. I will push their product for as long as I can because, as you saw with my old one, that is over 2 years old and still works. The strip is coming apart, but you know, it's glue, it's sweat, it's heat, the glue's going to fail. But the light itself still works. What other product can you get for 40 bucks, light-wise, is this handy for 40 bucks? I don't know of any. But guys, check it out. You won't be sorry. You will love this. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you, ODELFI, for having faith in me. Let's make them proud. Thank y'all much. See you next time on Santa's Workshop.